Hey brother, what's up? It is currently the 5th of October, the year of the Lord 2016, and today is Windback-Wednesday, where I take a step back and look at changing some of the code that I've already written, in a sense paying back the technical debt that I've accumulated. So today I'm going to walk through some of the things that I changed. I actually added some features too, so I'm a little excited about that. Just a little bit of progress every day. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to the desktop view here and open up the IDE and behold glorious JSON files. I've taken all of the mocked information, and that is the station data and the item data and the merchant data that I'd hard-coded, and I moved it out into these JSON files. And the benefit of this is threefold. First, it's just a cleaner way to write the code. In the same way that you separate your prefabs from your code in Unity, this allows me to separate a lot of my data from my code in libgdx. Second, if I was working with a team, it would make this a lot easier to distribute. With a JSON file, I could write easily, in an afternoon, write a little tool, a little editor that allows a writer, or a creative person to edit this, or they could do it by hand. It's not that complicated, and but they could edit it and work on the content while I work on the features. And in a larger team, that's something you have to do. The third cool thing is that this is the first step towards a moddable game, because there's no reason why I couldn't add a little drop-down dialog where the player could select a folder pointing to their own JSON files and with their own content or somebody else's, and lo and behold, you've got a little modding system, a way to mod the game without decompiling it or anything like that. It's along the same lines as what Mountain Blade did, if you remember that. Whenever you open that game, there's the drop-down and you select the module. Minecraft, of course, has done the same thing with textures. So I thought that was kind of cool. Probably won't have anyone wanting to mod this game, but it's at least gets the gears turning about how you separate things out. The other cool thing is that with the help of the amazing libgdx community, I got the HTML version working. So if I switch back here, you can see it's up and running. The link will be in the thingy below. And I can go and click New Game, skip past the dialogue, and start playing online. So you can actually try out my pre-alpha version of the game that compiles and has a somewhat working mechanic. And it's kind of cool for the first 30 seconds or so. So in the home world, you can visit the trader as normal. Now that all the data's been pulled out of the code, I've just got it set up to give everybody 5 random items. And they're nowhere close to balanced, but the quantity is has a reversely proportionate. It's really late right now. the more of the item that you have, that tells you the less it's probably worth. So if you've got a few items, they're probably worth a lot more. And so we can, trade muff mouse puffs for human exotic hair products now. And he still rips us off. You can view the cargo, and I've added more interesting descriptions to a lot of these, so you can read through those. There's 32 goods out there if you want to find them. When you leave the station, the worlds now actually sort of kind of make sense. For example, we can go to Tessman and visit the trader. Lo and behold, there's a different trader. Every star system has a unique trader. I don't have unique graphics for each trader, but they've got their own name, which is important, as well as their own inventory. This one just so happens to also have human hair and abstract art. That's interesting. But we can trade, muff mouse puffs for Yui and Ginger, which is really sketchy if you read the descriptions of what those items are. Anyways, I just thought I wanted to show you what I've got here. By the way, the descriptions have also been populated, although we seem to have discovered a slight bug. That's bizarre. Interesting. Nothing like a bug during the live demo. That's where they always come out. Anyways, I hope you get a chance to try this out, and as always, I'm really looking forward to your next video. I'm not sure if there will be a Thursday video. It's going to be a busy week, but we'll see. So, until next time, I remain, as always, your brother.